My name is Shelby Cox, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist at the Kendall Reagan Nutrition Center. The Nutrition Center offers a huge variety of services, so anywhere from individual nutrition counseling to cooking classes that are hands-on, getting people in the kitchen. We also provide presentations out in the community and here on campus, and we work with students here as well in order to get them experience as up-and-coming nutrition professionals.
So being a full-service nutrition center, we have the capacity to serve any nutrition need. Whether it's a client who is just generally interested in healthy eating, wanting to get back on track. We also serve clients looking for weight management, weight loss, tips for gaining weight. We do sports nutrition. We work with clients who have disordered eating patterns, disease prevention, cancer prevention, heart health, gastrointestinal health, pre-diabetes, diabetes management. We truly can serve clients that have varying nutrition needs across the whole spectrum.
I've actually participated in the diabetes programs, but in 2 of them so far, and they've been very helpful. I was encouraged by my doctor to do some classes, and commitment to campus was very helpful in offering some of the classes at discount, and so I thought this was the best for me here, and it was great to get to know the instructors here, or the nutritionists, and they've been very, very helpful to me.
Often when people think about nutrition services, seeing a dietitian, they have this misconception that they're going to go in and get handed a diet plan, rules, and rigidity. And I think that nutrition is so much more than that. We look at even the minute details of someone's diet, making it work for them, whether it be, macronutrient composition, or it might be the amount of calories they need, but really looking at the role that food plays in their life and making it a more holistic, intuitive type of approach that is really not the first thing that people think about when they think about food and their health. They think, what should I eliminate? What things should I cut out? And instead, we talk about trying to trust your body, be attuned to the way that you eat and the way that you feel. And it is a much more wellness, lifestyle focused approach. And that's what we do differently here at the Nutrition Center.